In this video we're going to take a look at strings, as I already mentioned. So we're going also straight back to our code, and what I'm going to do again is delete this code that's inside our main function. Let's define some new variables. So I'm going to use the string type, and I'm going to call it text A is, and I'm going to use my first name, and let's just call this variable first name. Maybe is that a little bit easier. So first name. And then I'm going to use another variable, which is going to be surname. And my name is Gul. And I missed the semicolon, so it's going to nag about it. And I'm going to console these both, which is actually print. In C# it's console log. So I'm going to print these to our console. We can now delete this library. So let's delete that. And let's press run, and it's going to print out Gul. Wait. It's taking a little bit longer than I expected, but yes, there it is. So now what are we going to do if we want to print out the full name? So what we can do is we define a new variable, which is full name, and I'm going to say first name plus surname. So what it's going to do is it's going to put this piece of text in front of this piece of text. So if we now press run, but first let's print that out. Oh, yes, and run it. Then you can see that it puts actually the text straight to my first name. So now instead of Gul. And we don't want that. And the way we can fix that is putting a space between these two values. So if I run it now again, then it should be written out the right way. So we can do this and for many variables, and this way you can create a whole piece of text. I wouldn't recommend that, but you can if you want to. And what we also can do to fix this is use string interpolation. And how this works is we can set a new variable. I'm going to say it full name too, and we open up quotes and we use a $sign, and then we can say first name and then a space and then again a $sign and press a semicolon. So what's going to do now is it's going to take the text that we have here, and it's going to print out first name at this position, then puts a space between it, and then going to print out surname in that position. So let's see if this is working. Then I have to type the name right, and let's press run. And as you can see, it's still working. So what we can do now is we can put text before it. So full name ... and then press run. And it should now write out full name ... Gul. So that's really nice. And the plus or the addition operator, which is called, is actually the only operator you can use on a string. So you can't use a minus or a separator or the time sign. Only the plus operator is working. If we try it out, then you can see that first name is first name minus surname. Then it's going to say that that operator isn't defined for a string. So this way you know what you can use or not. And that was it for this video. So strings, quite short, but still handy.